Hey everyone, this is Josh from Motorola, and today I'm excited to unbox the new iconic Motorola Razr Plus. It's been just over 3 years since reintroducing the Razr into a smartphone form factor in late 2019. Motorola was the first to modernize the clamshell-style foldable from our knowledge, creating the first original icon in the early 2000s. So let's see what this new version has in store. I love the slim, eco-friendly box it comes in. Lenovo and Motorola have a goal to continue using less single-use plastics, reducing the size and volume of packaging, and using more recycled materials for a more sustainable future. Now, to open it up, you will see an important disclaimer. The phone comes with a protective screen film to ensure the screen has an extra layer of protection for extended usage. Removing it or using third-party screen protectors could expose the device and void the warranty. And we give the device its first fold. The power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor on the right side. And one of the key design elements is the focus on a flex view hinge. This teardrop hinge allows the phone to shut completely without a gap or leave a crease in the display. This design lets the phone stand on its own at multiple angles for new ways to interact, capture, and create. Now, we can't forget the rest of what's in the box, so let's go back and check that out. There's a smaller black box we can open that holds our USB-C to USB-C cable, a quick start guide, legal and safety information, and a SIM tool if needed, as Razr Plus also has eSIM capabilities. But even more importantly is the largest external display of any flip phone, coming in at 3.6 inches, allowing so much more to be done without the need of opening the device. This can be used in many different ways, including a better way to get directions, listening to music, and using contactless payments. Add multiple panels based on your quick viewing needs, send a text, or even play a few games. Also, in the external display settings, you will be able to adjust app behavior. This means you can open and close the device while still staying inside the app you are using, like YouTube or Google Maps. There's also a lot of customization options for clock faces, wallpapers, and more, making it fun to customize and enjoy the external display. Now let's open up to an ultra-smooth 6.9-inch POLED 165Hz display. This is one of, if not the largest displays Motorola has ever had on a device, and it is truly beautiful, offering over 1 billion shades of true-to-life color. It's great for watching movies, reading books, scrolling social media, or gaming, all while knowing you can just close the flip screen and fit right in your pocket with the peace of mind that the battery will last all day. The Razr Plus has a 12-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, great for capturing smooth content in any lighting situation. This technology eliminates unwanted shakes and blur in your photos and videos. Beside that is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera that doubles as a macro vision camera. Content creators will love the versatility of the Flex View display to add more to the scene or capture smaller objects up close for the perfect social media post. On the inside is a 32-megapixel quad-pixel selfie camera as well. Plus, all 3 cameras are packed with all of the software camera features we love. Powering the Razr Plus is a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and 8 GB of RAM, keeping performance super smooth, and the 3800 mAh battery lasting all day. Razr Plus uses 30-watt turbo power charging to get back to daily life and wireless charging capabilities for added convenience. And that's it for this unboxing of the new ultra-modern, ultra-pocketable Motorola Razr Plus. Have a great day.